we're gonna do squid game, but at the exercise park.
Okay. So the first task is, so it just rained, so you're gonna have to go on every single one of these and jump off. Let's see you go, Abby.
Okay.
Disqualified.
It was slippery. I might fall on this last one. Guys.
You can do it, Abby. Go.
It's slippery.
Okay, you did it. Next task is to have to go on the balance beam and run all the way across it, just like
Let's see.
this.
Okay.
Okay, don't do it yet. I'm recording you. He's doing it. Good job, Evie. Next task. Call me, Evie. You're gonna do this.
On wet balls.
Oh yeah, on the wet ones. I forgot they were wet. So you're gonna have to do this and that.
Okay. And do not do that. You gotta land on your feet.
Ow! I got a cut. It hurts so bad. Anyways, go. Good job. I'm fine, it's just a little boost. Anyways, next we're going to have to do this challenge. We're going to have to climb on it. And can you look, honey? And go like this. And climb all the way
From the other side?
back down.
From the other side? Then
Whatever side. The other side's too difficult. Okay, go, Evie.
what if I do the other side?
You can. She's doing it. Good job, Evie. Have to ride all the way down this hill without like wiggling. Like, let me show you. Record me real quick. Pause it right now, though. Pause it.
Okay, guys, this is how it should look like.
Okay, you cannot like wiggle down like this. No, you have to go straight down.
Sorry, guys, the camera's just wiggling because I'm wanting. Yes.
You okay?
I think you cannot see the footage, but it's okay.
Okay.
Who's that?
Guys, it's raining right now. Like really pouring. So we gotta like go home. So we cannot do the last challenge on Evie. But we come back tomorrow because we go to the park every single day. And we go on a bike ride. So I come back tomorrow and then Evie can do the last task. Okay guys, my phone's getting soaked. Goodbye. Got home. It's just raining now. And we got home before it started pouring. So we got home safe and we make the other footage tomorrow. Thank you for watching the YouTube video. And goodbye.